Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cultivate Agri. Before going to the session, I hope you watched the videos Fisheries in separate playlist. Classification of breeds in fisheries will update later. So subscribe this channel to get notifications regarding the upcoming videos. In this session today we discuss the basic concepts of poultry farming. Let's start the session. A simple way of understanding poultry is a domesticated species of birds, that is chicken, ducks, geese, which are raised for their marketable products, that is mainly eggs and flesh. The other benefits from poultry farming are useful as food, eggs and meat, as farmyard manure, that is the droppings of poultry are used as fertilizers, and for sports or recreation purposes, that is entertainment, which is common during festive season. Why poultry farming is needed? As most of the farming is done in rural areas, there is a demand for poultry products in urban areas. The advantages are additional income, job opportunities, and also small capital investments. The third point is the government has minimized the imports through poultry farming. The two methods of poultry farming are backyard poultry farming and broiler farming. Here we discuss backyard poultry and broiler farming. Backyard poultry is for keeping birds only for egg purposes. This method is popular in village areas, and broiler farming is for marketing purposes. The age is of 5 to 6 weeks. Here the profit depends on body weight after subtracting the expenditure. Here expenditure means the cost of feed and medicine. Nowadays this method is popular. Here some important terminologies of poultry farming. We discuss the growth stages of chicken. The first growth stage is day-old chick. That is up to 24 hours is day-old chick. The next growth stage is chick. Up to 6 weeks of age is chicks. 1.5 months. Above 20 weeks of age, mature male chicken is cock. Similarly, above 20 weeks of age in laying stage, a mature female chicken is hen. Less than 1 year of age, female chicken is pullet. Similarly, less than 1 year of age, male chicken is cockerel. From 9th week to 20th week of age of either sex is grower. Up to 1 year after started laying eggs, a female chicken is layer. Chicks of same age raised in one batch is brood. Providing artificial heat to the chicks is brooder. A young chicken of either sex below 8 to 10 weeks of age, weighing 1.5 to 2 kg for market purpose is broiler or fryer. Here is the picture of brooder device providing artificial heat to chicks. It is done after hatching. Through this bar graph, we can easily understand the growth stages of chicken. In the terminologies, we discussed the age of chicken in weeks. So you have to convert the weeks into months. Here the x-axis is various growth stages of chicken and the y-axis is in ages in months. 1 month is 4 weeks, so you have to convert the weeks into months. For example, here day old chick up to 24 hours, so there is no growth. The next growth stage is chick below 6 weeks of age, so 1.5 months. The graph is at 1.5, bar is at 1.5. The next growth stage is grower up to 5 months, so the bar is at 5. Above 5 months, cock and hen, and up to 1 year layer, so the bar is at 12. To test the quality and freshness of egg, by keeping egg between eye and the light source, visually is candling. Warming of eggs for a period of 21 days at 37 degrees Celsius is incubation. Avoiding the diseased birds and unproductive bird, that is, they can't lay eggs, from the flock is culling. Coming out of young one from egg is hatching. Shedding of feathers and growing of new feathers annually is molting. Cutting off half to 1/3 the upper portion of beak for preventing bites and cockfights is debeaking. Here is the diagram of candling of egg. It is the picture of incubator. This is done before hatching. Here is the external body parts of a chicken. You can learn the body parts and the names of chicken from this diagram. I hope you understand the basic concepts of poultry farming. If you need any update, you can write it in the comment box section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.